In this video we'll reverse a number, let's say 1 2 3 4 5. So first we'll be using the while loop. So let's make a reversed underscore num and let's assign 0 to it. Now we'll make a while statement. While num is not equal to 0, we will divide the number by 10 and store it in digit variable. Okay, let's take num and then %10. Okay, so now we'll make a reversed underscore num equals reversed underscore num multiplied by 10 and then the digit. Okay, now we'll again divide the number by 10. Okay, so now let's print the reverse number. And the string of reversed underscore num. Okay, so let's run. So you can see the reverse number. Okay, so now we will use the string slicing. So let the number be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and we'll just print the string of num and then we'll put the step as -1. So let's run it. So you can see the reverse number in simply one line. So using the string slicing concept, you can get reverse by using the step -1. Okay, so when you pass -1 as step, the start point goes to the end and stops at the front